Hello, have you ever wondered why plants in dry environments have small leaves and plants in rainy environment have big and fresh leaves? There is a secret behind it, and in this question we're going to be catching you up in the secret. Now, let's look at this question together. The question says, which of the following best explain why plants in dry region have small leaves while plants in rainy region have big leaves? We have four options here. Option A says plants in dry regions have small leaves because they want more sunlight. B, plants in dry regions have small leaves to reduce water loss, while plants in rainy regions have large leaves to release excess water. C, plants in dry regions have small leaves to store food. D, plants in dry region have small leaves to trap heat. Which of these options do you think is the correct option? Now, before we can pick our answer, let's go straight to the foundation. This question is talking about plants, leaves, yes. Now, the first thing you must understand is the leaves are like the skin pores of a plant. The bigger the leaves are, the more water the plant loses. Now, every drop of water that leaves the plant goes through the leaf. Now, picture a desert. Hot sun, dry air, water is rare, almost like a gold. Now, if a desert plant had big leaves, it will lose water so fast, the plant will literally dry up and die. So what do? They shrink the leaves. Some desert plants even turn their leaves into tiny spines or remove them entirely, or because they want to reduce water loss to the barest minimum. Now, shift to a rainy region. Water is everywhere. Humidity is high. Rain can fall anytime. Here, losing water is not a problem. In fact, sometimes the plant needs a way to get rid of extra water. So big leaves help them to do exactly that. Now, let's go back to this question. When you look at all these options, the option that fits perfectly is option B, which says that plants in dry region have small leaves to reduce water loss, while plants in rainy regions have large leaves to release excess water. Once you understand the foundation, the question becomes very simple. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow us for more of our videos. Thank you very much. See you in our next video. Bye.